In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these basic problems under transition method. So we have about 10 to 12 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following cannot be deduced from the electronic configuration of a transition metal: ability to form complex ions, position in the periodic table, variable oxidation state, possession of magnetic property. So the right option is option D. This is not a deduction from the electronic configuration of transition metal. Okay, so option D is the right option. The next simple question with this one, it says the following are properties of transition metal except variable oxidation state, tendency to form complex ions, formation of colored ions, low melting points. The right option is option D, low melting point. This is not a property. The next question is this one. It says, which of the following statement about group 7 elements is correct? They are present in the same physical state. Their reactivity decreases than the group. Yes, this is the right answer. So this question is correct. They are strong reducing agents. No. They exist as monatomic molecules. No. So the right option is option B. Next question will be this. It says, which of the following elements would produce colored aqueous solution? We have copper, sodium, magnesium, calcium. So it will be copper. Okay, so copper will produce colored aqueous solution. The next question will be this one. It says the following transition metal ions would be colored in aqueous solution except, so it will be except scandium, option C. Okay, next question with this one. It says a transition metal would be expected to have strong oxidizing ability from oxide with different formula. So is this option B? Alright, it should not be option C, it should not be option D. So it's option B, guys. Next question with this one. It says one of the characteristics of transition metals is ability to conduct electricity, to be ductility, reducing ability, formation of colored ions. The right option is option D. Next question be this one. It says which of the following elements is a D block element? So the one that is a D block element is obviously iron, option A. Next question be this one. It says which of the following elements will produce colored ions aqueous solution? So it will be iron, which is a transition metal. Next question is this one. It says the D block elements are paramagnetic because they contain unpaired electrons in the partially filled 3d orbitals. Yes, so this is the right answer, guys. So no need checking option B, C, and D. The right answer is option A. Last question before we end this video will be this one. It says the presence of unpaired electrons in an atom of a transition metal gives rise to ductility, shiny appearance, paramagnetism, malleability. The right answer is option C, paramagnetism. So guys, this is basically can do problems involving transition elements or metals for your chemistry practice with 10 to 12 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting premium information on help you to excel in your exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having known this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.